So guys, can we talk about Korean skincare for a second? Because why does every K-beauty look so glowy, so soft, and so perfect? Because everybody online is looking so hydrated, so glass skin, and so perfect. I mean, so peaceful. Because sometimes you buy skincare hoping for glass skin, but instead you're getting sweating, forehead, breakouts, and your pores clogging, and also all of that. And enough oil to fry plantain. Like enough oil to fry plantain. So in today's video, we are talking about Korean skincare that are very good for oily skin. So when I say Korean skincare, I mean like the affordable ones that are cheaper than the luxury skincare products you can find out there. But overall, they are products that normal people can realistically save up for and use consistently. And I specifically picked out products that oily skin people can use because they are lightweight, they are very hydrating, non-greasy, and they are beginners friendly, and also for acne prone skin. So if you have acne prone skin, acne marks, oily skin, and all of that, this video is for you. So wherever you're watching from, maybe in Nigeria, South Africa, UK, US, anywhere you're watching from, this video is definitely for you. So stay tuned and keep watching. Now, the first product I'll be recommending will be Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum. And guys, Beauty of Joseon deserves, like, they deserve this hype because their serum is so good, so lightweight, especially this glow serum. It contains propolis and niacinamide. As an oily skin person, you know, niacinamide is a very good product for controlling your oil, and it helps to control oil, like I said, brighten your skin, and also improve your skin texture. Meanwhile, propolis help to hydrate your skin and calm your skin without making it feel so greasy. And the texture is very nice. It feels so lightweight, so silky on the skin, and also very breathable. It's not heavy. And this is type of serums that make your skin look so healthy instead of oily. And honestly, this is the goal, especially if you have acne prone skin, textured skin, post acne marks, and oily skin. And it goes so well with sunscreen, it goes so well with moisturizer. It's so lightweight, it's so comfortable, and it's so breathable. And the second one I'll be recommending will be COSRX Snail Mucin Essence. Now, COSRX Snail Mucin is the one of the most popular Korean skincare in the world, and it is very good for oily skin and also for dry skin. But for oily skin, it's very good. It hydrates your skin without feeling heavy or greasy on your skin. It gives you that healthy glow. The texture looks slimy at first, but when you apply it, it sinks into your skin smoothly and beautifully. And this essence helps with dehydration. If you're suffering from dehydration, this is going to be a good one for you. It helps with dehydration, it helps with damaged skin barrier, and it also helps with post-acne marks as well. And oily skin can also be dehydrated. You know, a lot of people think that oily skin is to skip moisture and all of that. But no, oily skin still need moisture on their skin, because sometimes dehydrated oily skin also means like producing more oil, because the more your face is dry, the more you are trying to strip off your face, is going to like produce more oil, produce more sebum. So your face still needs to be hydrated and more balanced. That's why you need this Snail Mucin. It will balance your skin. Okay. Now the third one I'll be recommending will be Isntree green tea toner. Now, if your face gets oily so quickly as an oily skin, this toner might be very good. So I'll be recommending this toner for you. So the Isntree green tea fresh toner contains green tea extract, which will help to control your oil. It helps to control your oil and also calm your skin down. Oily skin, combination skin, and also acne-prone skin. So if you have all of these skin issues, this toner is very good. It's going to work well for you because it layers well with every other skincare product without making your skin so overload or heavy. It layers very well with other skincare. Now the first one I'll be recommending is the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sunscreen. Now guys, please, can we all please normalize using sunscreen? Especially oily skin, not just oily skin, everybody, every skin type, to use sunscreen all the time. Whether you are indoor or you're outdoor or anytime, always use your sunscreen. You can always reapply your sunscreen. Because dark spots, acne marks, hyperpigmentation, and all of that gets really worse without sunscreen. Okay, sunscreen will help it to heal faster. When you use a sunscreen, it helps it to heal faster, and all the acne, it helps them to disappear. Now, this sunscreen contains rice extracts and probiotics, and somehow it feels moisturizing without being greasy. Because that's actually hard to find, because some sunscreens feels like a melted butter on the face, but this one disappears on your face. Like, it gives you that matte finishing, not like that matte finishing, but it's also hydrating, but it's not heavy. It doesn't make your face crazy. Now the fifth one I'll be recommending will be COSRX low pH cleanser. And this cleanser is another oily skin favorite. Like, honestly. And honestly, I understand why. Because some cleansers make your face painfully dry after washing your face. Like your face feeling so squeaky in a bad way. But this cleanser is very gentle on the skin. It doesn't strip it off with moisture. And because it has a low pH formula, it helps to support your skin barrier too. So this cleanser is very good for oily skin, acne-prone skin, sensitive skin, and also especially if you're beginners starting skincare. Okay, this cleanser is very good. Now the sixth product I'll be recommending will be Acne Dark Spots Serum. And guys, if you struggle with acne marks, come closer. Come closer. Let's talk about it. Because oily skin and dark spots are such an annoying combination. Very annoying. Like, so annoying. And treating acne is very much easier than treating the dark spots, because the dark spots can stay on your skin for so long. That is why Acne Dark Spot Serum is very popular, because it helps to brighten the post-acne marks gently. And again, niacinamide is the star ingredient here. Like, it is the key ingredient here, and it helps to brighten. And this serum feels very lightweight and calming instead of being harsh on your skin. Because some of these brightening products attack the skin barrier. But this one feels so softer and so easier to use. Consistently, because consistently matters very much in skincare. So the last one I'll be recommending will be Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella. And this product is very simple. And honestly, sometimes simple product is what works best. And Skin 1004 Centella is very lightweight, very calming on the skin. And it is also watery. It absorbs very quickly on the skin. It's not heavy. It's not greasy. So it absorbs very well. And Centella is one of those ingredients that helps calm irritated skin, especially acne-prone skin. Because when your skin is inflamed all the time, calming ingredients can make a very good difference. Finding skincare products can be very exhausting for oily skin, especially when your face reacts to everything. And when you start understanding your skin more, it becomes very, very easier, especially when you know your skin type. It becomes very easier for you to recommend your own products for yourself. And you realize that your skin does not need harsh skincare products and your skin will be balanced. And these are some Korean skincare products that oily skin around the world seems to enjoy. So if you enjoyed this video, comment below and tell me these Korean skincare products you've used that changed your skin and what skincare products you want me to talk about next. So please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And thank you for watching.